My child, tonight, heaven leans close to whisper to you. You've carried burdens all day. Your mind is restless, your spirit heavy, your body tired. But God says, I will restore your soul. Psalm 23 isn't just ink on paper. It's a living stream, a river of light. And tonight, if you dare to open your heart, it will flow into you like healing oil, like fresh water for a desert traveler. The shadows tried to follow you into this night. Fear tried to sit beside your bed. But heaven declares, not this night, not this soul, not this child. Stay here, stay listening, because the shepherd himself is walking toward you. And every word of Psalm 23 is about to rise from the page and live in your body, your mind, your spirit. Conflict, spiritual battle. You know the emptiness, the nights when you stare into the ceiling, wondering if anyone sees you. You know the feeling of walking through life like a valley, where voices echo, but none comfort. The enemy knows too. That's why he's been attacking your rest. That's why fear creeps in at midnight, when silence should bring peace. That's why your soul feels drained, tired, worn. The devil doesn't want you to know Psalm 23 isn't just poetry. It's a weapon. It's medicine. It's an unbreakable promise. But you've felt it, the loneliness, the stress, the invisible battles. Friends can't always see it. Family doesn't always understand it. But your soul has been crying out for restoration, and tonight heaven answers that cry. Turning point, the shepherd comes. Not with empty words, but with power. Not with guilt, but with guidance. Not with rules, but with rest. Listen, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. That's the voice you've been needing. Because the truth is you've lacked peace. You've lacked rest. You've lacked clarity. But heaven says tonight, no more lack. He makes you lie down in green pastures. You've been running, hustling, stressing and striving, but the shepherd doesn't just ask you to sit. He makes you rest. Because restoration doesn't happen in chaos. It happens in surrender. He leads you beside still waters. Waters that silence anxiety. Waters that wash away regret. Waters that carry your tears into the sea of forgetfulness. And here it is. He restores my soul. This is not theory. It's happening now. As these words enter your ears, your nervous system is calming. Your thoughts are slowing. Your heart is remembering what peace feels like.